Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to play Minecraft TLauncher with Xbox controller. So let's start. So first you have to contain rights controllers. This mod is built around the fact that each controller is completely separated with the configuration bindings, etc. This means it will be triable to add support for split screen play in the future. So build for mod compatibility. Good Explorations has been abstracted into a simple API which allows to other mods to easily add support for their own goods without convoluted support through the whole mod's codebase, making difficult parties integrate. So automatically controller dead-zone calibration. The dead-zone values of your controller automatically calibrate, meaning you don't have to worry about it. So you have to do the calibration for Xbox controller. This process will optimize settings for your controller to prevent stick drift. Stick drift happens in your controller thumbstick and potentially wrong values when you aren't touching them at all. So the zones are used to prevent this. Then what is come, a few features in various points in the horizontal are split Steam Deck support with the ability to interface with car scope and able to handle its extra buttons. There were to change controller bindings, possible a custom graphic to pick buttons to the actions as a split screen. So guys, that is how it works. I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give thumb up to this video.